As far as Korean automakers are concerned, the future isn't coming. It's already here. Because this is a year of big novelties, of cars that impress with cutting-edge designs, breakthrough performance, and impressive technology that's about to rewrite the rules on the market. The next wave of innovation is here as Korean automakers have just revealed 6 new models and wowed everybody. Number 6. Hyundai Ioniq 9. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 has been highly anticipated for a while, and it's finally coming as the latest addition to the company's all-electric lineup. It'll be a modern 3-row family SUV, and the first thing that you'll notice is that it takes a lot of inspiration from the Hyundai 7 concept, which is great aesthetics-wise. But the Ioniq 9 incorporates that design approach into a practical midsize SUV and imposes itself as a natural choice in the family market. Because it's spacious and practical, just like its close cousin, the Kia EV9, or we could say that it's the Palisade in the combustion world, its futuristic exterior is complemented by a wonderful premium-like interior that looks more like a lounge than a cabin, with those fancy seats that look like you can spend the whole day in them when enjoying a super comfortable ride. The ride will certainly be comfortable considering that the Ioniq 9 will come with self-leveling dampers and a torque vectoring system which ensure a perfect blend of comfort and athleticism. Performance-wise, the new EV will come in a couple of variants starting from the base rear-wheel drive model with a single electric motor and a couple of all-wheel drive versions, with the latter being a performance-oriented variant. All models will feature a massive 110 kWh battery that'll ensure up to 335 miles of range. Besides autonomy, buyers of this family SUV will also enjoy an impressive 350 kilowatt charging rate, which will ensure that you get to 80% of the battery in just 24 minutes. As for the price, base models are expected to go around $62,000. Number 5. Kia EV3. The biggest complaint most people have about electric cars is affordability, but things are about to change soon as Kia is bringing a quite affordable compact SUV to the market. With a starting price estimated at $35,000, this model will get pretty close to ICE compact SUVs in terms of pricing, so it's no surprise that many see the EV3 not just as the Volvo EX30's rival, but also as a great alternative to established combustion SUVs like the Honda CR-V or even the RAV4. The EV3 will be positioned below the EV6 in the brand's lineup, but will use the same styling cues as its bigger siblings and will offer a pretty attractive boxy design complemented by a nicely designed cabin with recycled fabrics and a couple of large touchscreens with the capacity to accommodate 5 people. Base models will feature a single electric motor with 201 horsepower and 209 pound-feet of torque, while dual motor variants will be on offer too, including a high-performance variant with the GT badge. One of the biggest novelties will be the introduction of the company's new generation of a one-pedal driving system with regenerative braking available with multiple levels of settings. As for the battery, the base setup will include a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, while the larger 81.4 kilowatt-hour unit will be on offer too. The latter should provide over 300 miles of range, while the 400-volt architecture will allow a charging rate good enough to charge to 80% of the battery in half an hour, in the case of the base model. Number 4. Next generation Hyundai Palisade. When the original Palisade was introduced, it impressed the automotive world with a huge amount of quality it offered for a very attractive price. Up to those days, it remained an excellent value, and now it's time for the second generation to carry on. The new completely redesigned model is on its way with a full set of interesting novelties. The first thing you'll notice, of course, is the styling. The new model looks bolder, more aggressive, and more futuristic thanks to a generous amount of square shapes and bold LED lighting elements. Moreover, the new generation also features bigger dimensions with a longer wheelbase, which should translate to more passenger space as well. Speaking of passenger space, the Palisade will remain a 3-row SUV, but there's a chance to see seating capacity increasing to 9. The Korean market version, which already debuted, is available with a front bench, allowing middle passengers at the front as well, but we still don't know whether such a variant is coming to the US market or not. In any case, Hyundai will once again impress with its interior quality and set new standards for the mainstream segment. The dashboard is not only equipped with fine materials, but also looks very elegant and very mature, with the massive curved panel that's rather integrated into the dashboard than placed on top of it. Powertrain for now remains the biggest mystery, but most sources suggest that besides the gas-only version, the Korean automaker is also preparing a hybrid variant of this 3-row SUV. As for the price, we estimate that base models could go around $39,000. Number 3. Kia EV9 GT. Kia is one of the first two Korean sister companies to release a three-row electric SUV, the EV9. That model impresses with its features, capabilities, and attractive price, but now it's time to spice things up a bit and offer an all-new high-performance model. That one's called the EV9 GT, and it'll use the same setup as the EV6 GT, meaning that the max output will be rated at a quite impressive 576 horsepower and 545 pound-feet of torque. That's a massive nearly 200 horsepower upgrade over the currently most powerful EV9 on offer, and with all-wheel drive as well as a limited slip rear differential, there's no doubt that it'll be an excellent performer. We believe that it could be able to hit 60 in 4 seconds flat, while features like adaptive dampers, upgraded brakes, and a standard set of summer tires will have their contribution to the overall performance as well. Officials still haven't said much about the battery and range, but we may presume that it'll use the larger of the two available packs, one with the 99.8 kilowatt-hour battery, which should provide around 250 miles per charge, we believe. Besides serious performance, the Kia EV9 GT will also stand out with a long list of exclusive features, whether it's about styling, interior details, or standard equipment. Therefore, it won't be cheap. We expect a starting price of around $80,000. Number 2. Genesis GV90. Hyundai's luxury division is expanding at a rapid pace, and the newest addition to the lineup is coming in the form of the Genesis GV90. This will be the new flagship model, a full-size SUV that'll come exclusively with the all-electric powertrain. At least that's what the latest reports say. Anyways, the GV90 will stand out not only in large proportions, but also in impressive aesthetics. There's an obvious inspiration taken from the Neolum concept, with those impressive LED bars on both ends, and the latest iteration of the brand's recognizable grille design. On the inside, the GV90 will offer nothing but luxury, but compared to the aforementioned concept, it won't just be stylish, it'll also be more practical. Because instead of 2, it'll most likely feature 3 rows of seats. Of course, it'll be loaded with standard equipment as well as some pretty interesting design and tech solutions, such as the forced air climate control system instead of the traditional radiant heating system. Performance-wise, the GV90 will feature a dual motor setup with around 500 horsepower in its base variant, while we wouldn't exclude the possibility of seeing a high-performance model either. Base models will use the same battery as the Kia EV9 with slightly under 100 kilowatt-hours in capacity, which should provide around 300 miles of range. But we won't exclude the possibility of seeing a bigger pack as an option either. We expect base models to cost around $100,000. Number 1. Hyundai N Vision 74. Back in 2022, the Korean automaker amazed the automotive world with a concept called the N Vision 74, and then we got even more amazing news last year as the production version was officially confirmed. After a series of bulky crossovers and SUVs, Hyundai is finally bringing something less practical, something focused on driving experience, and that wonderful retro-inspired coupe layout will definitely be one of its strongest selling points, even though we don't expect to see too many of these produced. Most likely, it'll come in limited numbers, considering that it'll feature some groundbreaking technologies and design solutions. The most important one is definitely the powertrain. The concept version was presented with a mighty hydrogen fuel setup with 670 horsepower. But if this wonderful looking coupe shows a bigger commercial potential once it gets released, we have no doubt that the company will offer powertrain alternatives, probably a battery electric setup. In any case, the N Vision, with its coupe design and unique retro look as well as powertrain and technology, certainly is one of the highest anticipated new models coming from Korean automakers in the near future. Oh, let's not forget a few interesting interior details from the concept, which looks old school and simplistic, but also utilizes the latest tech features. And even though it has a couple of massive screens, there's still a pretty big portion of physical buttons on the center console, something we would love to see in the production version. Thanks for watching and see you next time.